Welcome back to Marriage Minutes. My name is Daniel. This is Danny. And today we are talking about when you are spiritually united but practically divided.
So, what does this mean? This means that you have shared values, but maybe the things you're doing day to day aren't aligned with those values. And so they have you living a divided life. So, you might say, my marriage is my number one priority, but the choices that you and your spouse are making every day don't align with the marriage being your number one priority.
Yeah.
So you can both believe the same things and you can agree that you're aligned in those things spiritually, relationally. But if our actions don't line up with what our values are, then it creates this division. So you can start by aligning your schedule with your shared values.
Yeah.
And again, this goes back to the same page meeting, talking through the values and then what's on the schedule and making sure that they all line up, because your schedule says a lot about who you are and what you believe.
And what your priorities are.
Yeah, the priorities. And then you want to talk through practical expectations. So if we're aligned spiritually or we're aligned in our values, but the expectation that goes along with those values isn't aligned, or we're not on the same page in that, then it also creates that disconnect. So maybe we both believe that it's important to read the Bible together as a couple, but we can't align our time and actually make that happen. So we need to have some practical expectations, like we believe this, and so we expect each other to do this.
Going to make time for it.
Make time for it.
Yeah, make it a priority.
Whatever it is. Finally, you want to connect your spiritual beliefs to your daily decisions. So what we believe should come across in what we do every single day. And it's okay to talk about these things and hold each other accountable to these things, but what we do should be a reflection of what we believe. And when it's not, our spouse should be the one that can call us out, and we should provide a safe place to talk about those things. Like, hey, we say we believe this, but you know what? Us doing this doesn't really align with what we say we believe. So what do we need to do to get into alignment, to remove the division between us, and to not just say we believe this, but actually live it out every day?
So good. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. And just remember, most of everything that we're talking about and we share on this channel is just making time for your marriage and having a high level of a communication. So stay tuned for more episodes every day, 6 a.m. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.